You know what really grinds my gears? I've been hearing a lot this week. I've been looking at, I got different people on my social media stream that happen to be young men of color that are experiencing some type of depression that they speak on. As soon as they speak on it, what I see in the comments is, stay strong, man. Don't be weak. You got to do it for your kids. And I understand. I'm a man. I understand the society we live in where a man has to stay strong. But I think it's unrealistic for a person to always be strong, for us to not recognize that people sometimes go through pain and experience things. Every soldier is going to have battles that they lose. Not everybody's going to win every battle, and it has to be okay for us to lick our wounds. It would be silly for someone to have a broken arm or a fractured arm and not be able to go and get some assistance to get that fixed. And when people have depression, first of all, depression is a real thing. It has psychological and physiological components to it. And when we tell a person they got to be strong, we don't validate the real feeling they're experiencing. This is a problem that we've had since we were young men, since we've had people out there playing sports and we tell them to just shake it off and drink water, like people don't get hurt, like we're inhuman. I think what real strength is to recognize that you go through things, that you actually do have pain, and then to work through the pain. So we need to redefine strength. We need to redefine what it means to be a strong male. It doesn't mean that you don't experience pain. It doesn't mean that you don't go through bouts, struggles, and fights. It doesn't mean that you win every battle. It means that you recognize that you're in a battle and you keep fighting.